if you're in drawdown, you already want to get that back to being above where it was. And that will oftentimes make you want to trade when you shouldn't be. Like that'll make you trade in this, but like it's not going anywhere. I mean, it could be. I think if anything, it looks like a high resistance sell side delivery, but I could be wrong. I don't know where it's going. So like I think that's the toughest thing when it comes to drawdown. When you're in drawdown, you have to you could trade with less contracts, but the best thing would be to trade only when the market is clean. You know what I mean? Like it's always gonna tug on your mind. It's always gonna be hard when it's like that.
I
Looks
know
like we're gonna deliver lower.
exactly what you mean.
Could have taken an entry with this as the stop.
It didn't happen on my screen yet, cuz.
What you talking about?
It ain't happened on my side yet.
Oh, yours is slow.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're
Yeah,
on paper then.
806. Oh no, it happened.
Wait, can you see?
Well, that's because yeah, I'm watching your screen.
Excuse me. Are you? Is your screen? Is it delayed for you?
Nah, it's not delayed. Speaking of the entry, I don't even want to do nothing, bro. I know I could get out a $300 drawdown in one trade on Monday or something. You know, I'm chilling. Hope I can.
That's fair.
How low are we gonna go? Where is it? We're moving. We're moving toward. We're moving. I want to. I want to say liquidity or liquidity.
Yeah, I mean, there's some right here, but we
I
want to
mean,
see. I personally want to see if this becomes an inversion fair value gap.
that's what we were waiting for this whole time. I don't have that marked off. That's a 1 minute fair value gap. The first presented 1 minute.
Yeah, I mean, we did create the first presented, and we touched it.
Seems like we want to respect it though. We haven't traded through it. Gonna we be able to find? Is there? How many times is it gonna touch it before it gives us a
Oh,
general
hold on a
idea?
second. I don't know.
Like this the third time it got touched. I think he likes getting touched.
So I'm taking this early. That's why I'm only taking one contract. I'm
You're
taking this,
selling.
yep, very early because I want to see if we use this as an inversion fair value gap. But we have what looks like a breakaway gap right here. I could absolutely get smoked on this, but I'm just waiting to see if we can close below here. And I'm gonna leave it on. Like if it goes to my stop, it goes to my stop. Um, like we talked about. Like if you take it, you got to be okay with it going to your stop. And that's why I used one contract. Like that's it's not gonna kill me. I'm not gonna be like super upset about it. But I will say this is early. It's an early trade for. I'll say this: it's late because I'm using this. It's early because I'm still waiting to see. I said before, I want to see us close below this to trust that it's going lower. So we could absolutely get a massive green candle that stops me out. But I'm going off of the fact that we have this, but also once we close below here, we failed to get above the lowest quadrant. So that's the thesis for my trade. Like I have a reason for taking this trade, and if it's wrong, it's wrong. Like I'm gonna leave this stop where it is. I'm not gonna adjust it. I'll adjust it if we go
Dude,
deep into
yo,
profit, but
Ali said something going wrong.
mailman.
So you had a reason and you had a direction. You had to take profit. You had a stop loss and you had a reason. So if
Yep.
you wrong, you wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Because I should be like, oh my goodness.
And you can also see, like I said, it's within. It's a trade that I would take normally, but it's within my risk parameter. Like it is. I took it so late that I dropped the amount of contracts. Like instead of five, I'm just using one.
What do you mean you took it late?
Like I would have wanted to see this close. I wanted to see this be open, and once this
Mm,
candle closed, I normally would have taken it. But I was saying before I was waiting for us to get here, but then I was like, well, we use this and we are inside here, but we're below the midpoint of this. So it's more likely that we close below it. So I'll take it. Like I was very late. I would have wanted to take it like in this area, but I took it all the way down here, which is relatively late.
all right, I know. I got it now. I understand what you mean. You did say you're taking it early, but I should have known if I read the
Yes.
chart what you meant.
Yeah. So when I said early, I meant before we closed below here. And we still haven't closed below here on the 1 minute. Like that's still, we still are above it. We could absolutely trade into it and then right now just rip higher. And that's why I was like, I want to wait until we close below it. But I think if we do close below here, like we could be going to the TGIF retracement, which is right down here, to 23, 724, or whatever. But that doesn't mean that we can't go higher before doing that. So we did now just close below this. So I do want to see if we respect the midpoint of this. Now it's an inversion. But if we close below these right here, we should see it want to really speed lower. And if not, we could just rip right back up into where we were. I'm gonna bring my stop in, but yeah, so that's like the reasoning for it. And you saw we took a decent amount of heat, so now it should speed up. It should maybe come about like it shouldn't. I think if it closes higher than 50% of this black candle right here, then it could just turn around and stop us out. But if it closes below the like 25% mark, I'd like to see the next one open up and then start heading down. But anyway, like we took heat. You know what I'm
So
saying?
right
Like,
now, er, yeah, we took key. We took what, like 80 ticks was it at one point? I did. I don't know if I just but I did.
oh, did you
But
take this?
yeah, I took it late. I took it when you were sitting at like 120 ticks, and I really got the brunt force of the. I took it super late,
Okay. What's your
100%.
what's your stop?
My stop is 100 hit. My stop is 100 ticks.
Okay.
My take profit is 30 ticks.
30 ticks, 30 handles.
No, 30 ticks.
So your stop is 100 ticks. Your take profit is 30.
Trading bad right now. Just bad trading. I'm not trading like how I'm supposed to be. All right, I'm not changing it.
So you
Yeah,
I'm not saying you should have it, but your stop could possibly be like the midpoint of this because we don't if it's going to continue bearishly, we don't want to see it come up to the midpoint. But if you wanted to play it a little safer, your stop could be like the upper quadrant of this. So now we should see this candle start to speed down really fast. And then the next one, if it wants to actually retrace, the next one should open, go up just a teeny bit, and then just start to slam lower.
I didn't. I'm missing out. It's okay though.
Did you close it?
Yeah, I closed it. I did close it because I'm doing too much.
So what are you thinking right now? Like what made
I'm
you
trying to
feel
get a
like
retracement. This is a good area to sell.
it could be, but you have to use something. Like you have to see something that says, okay, it's a good time to sell. Like you would have to see like a decent order block or like a fair value gap. It seems like we're disrespecting the order blocks on the 5 second, but like there's this one right here on the 15 second. Now let's see if that actually holds. And let's take a look at this 1 minute actually.
Are we gonna? What? First off, I should have a target before a target and an entry before I take a trade. Yes. Uh. All
Yes.
right.
Like before taking the trade, you should have a target. Like you should have an idea of where price wants to go. This current candle should start to slam down. If it doesn't start slamming down, this one or the very next one, then we'll probably get stopped out. It's probably already met where it's going. But before taking the trade, yes, you should absolutely have an idea of where price is going. So that should be your target. And then you wait for an entry to appear. So like before even taking the trade, you have a target set. And then right before taking the trade, you spot that entry appearing. Like you're waiting for it. You're like, I'm looking for this to happen. I'm looking for a fair value gap. I'm looking for an order block. And then like once that happens, then you take the trade. You know what I mean? So you don't have to have your entry ready beforehand. You just you just have to have an idea of what you're looking for an entry. You know what I mean?
I do. If I'm not doing that, then I'm essentially just gambling. Unfortunately.
I mean, I guess it could also not be gambling. Like you could just not be prepared. That could be it too. So I want to see if we respect this
How high
midpoint.
are we gonna retrace back? So the TGI, this is the TGIF retracement. Are we gonna go back to where we started, or is this the move right here?
What do you mean where we started? Like the high or the
Like
low?
this? Um. So sometimes on TGIF Fridays, right? You get like 20 to 30% retracement. Is this the 20 to 30% retracement that we were looking for?
Yeah, it could be. Let me see real quick. High 902.50. Like that was the point. That's why I took this trade. Hold on a second. 902.50. Okay. That was why I took this trade, like to seek the TGIF retracement. But I wanted to take it in the thoughts that we go in that direction. Like I wasn't sure that we were gonna go all the way to the retracement. Like I would just take it in that direction because it wants to go there. Um it could be the retracement. Like it's right here now. That's what it would be. It's gonna move my stop just above it. Hey. Shh. You're doing a good job, buddy. Good job. Job. Here you go. That's good quiet, buddy. Good job, quiet. Good job, buddy. So I don't know. It looks like it is a TGIF retracement. We'll see though. We could be. It lines up perfectly with the 20% retracement. Give me a second. Hey, quiet, buddy. I know you were looking for entries, but like one thing that we have to think about is like we're not going to take every trade. We're not going to be able to. Like we're physically not able to as humans. But like the good thing is we we're getting to cleaner price right now. So like we could very well miss every single trade today, and then next week we could catch every one. So like it sucks a lot of the times. Like this morning I was like, dang, I texted you, I was like, probably not gonna trade because I missed all the targets that I was looking for buy side. Um so like yeah, we're gonna miss them. Like you weren't able to get good entries right there. Like it's sometimes not gonna give you any. But the good thing is like we're retracing right now. Like we're retracing on Friday. We're not retracing on Monday. So like we go back to the weekly chart and we're like, okay, we already retraced 25%. If we're gonna go to take out all-time highs, we probably don't have to retrace too much on Monday. Like we might be able to just get in here and get the trade that we want to take us higher. So like yes, it sucks right now. We missed like you missed that trade. But the fact that it's trading like this right now, especially the fact that it's retracing, gives you an opportunity to seek the buy side. And higher time frame, it's buy side. So like it's tougher to take a short right now. Like I've told you before, especially in June and July, when it's going for buy side, like we primarily want to look for buy side trades. Like this one was kind of a slam dunk only because we took out every single target that we looked for. And then we had like an inversion fair value gap right here. So like don't be upset that you weren't able to get good entries on here. Like you're gonna get entries. Like we could quite possibly be retracing right now and then shoot up at like 12 o'clock. This could literally be